Hi guys, so this is my update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin played exactly like I predicted in my last video. You can go and watch my previous video on Bitcoin to see exactly what I said, right? I drew this back then. I said I was expecting Bitcoin to come to this level right here, which we can see came down to this level. And I said I'm expecting it to come to my first target right here, which it did. Second target right here, which it did. Third target right here, which it did. And since then I haven't analyzed the Bitcoin yet, but something beautiful happened, right? Bitcoin went directly to my overall target here, because if you zoom in, right, in daily time frame, if we zoom in, we are on an uptrend, right? So this was my impulse right here, right? Let me use another color. This was my impulse right here. This is the correction right here. So this is the continuation. So I was expecting an uptrend to this level right here. This analysis I made here was like a minor structure for the overall picture, which is this level right here. And my reason that I said my overall was around this level was because that is on my negative 27 but 20% fib level. And also, if you look left, right, there was a break of structure around this area and it hasn't retested it yet, so it stands as like an retest as well. So this is how it happens right now. So let me delete this one since this analysis has happened already. Let me delete what else? Let me delete this one here. I'll delete here as well. And here. Okay, let me still leave that because that has not been met yet. So let me leave that. So we know we are on a downtrend, right? We know we are on a downtrend. No matter how we are buying or something, we are still on a downtrend. So this is just like, wait, let me go to the daily time frame and see. Let's see. Yep. We'd see that if we see on a daily time frame, right, we see there is an imbalance around this level right here. Let me draw my fib at that level and let's see. So I've drawn my fib. Let's see what next are we looking at on fib on Bitcoin. So we can see right here that that there was an imbalance here, a daily imbalance at this level right here, a daily imbalance, and we can see it was mitigated, then now it dropped. Now there is an imbalance at that area as well. So let me just adjust my this, because the other one has been met. So here, right, there's an imbalance here. There's another block. There's another block at that area, but I'll just leave it there. Yeah, it still stands, but there's an imbalance around this level right here. There is an imbalance around this level. So yeah, so this is like my other block. Yep. So what am I expecting next? Let me delete this. This has been mitigated. This and this. Let me draw a trend line. Let's try a trend line, so at least we know we are still currently on an uptrend. As long as it is above this trend line, 2 points makes a trend line. So what next am I expecting? Let me now go back to my 4-hour time frame. Since it has come to this level right here, right, and this is a crucial level right here because there is like a resistance at this level right here. There is a resistance zone at this level right here, and it's also my negative 27%, right? But I still think we're still gonna push up, right? Because there is a lot to fulfill at this trend right here. So we just have to wait and see how this broke. So we might see if we push up, right? We might push up to this level right here. So I'm expecting a little bit more of target to this level area right here. But because we are currently at my negative 27, I'm going to expect a short reversal, to be honest. A reversal to, let me just use so I know. So I'm expecting a short reversal, maybe there's an imbalance here. There's an imbalance as well. Let me just say maybe like this, right? Then push up to either here. Let me just put it here. Then we'll continue. Let me zoom in to see where my next stop is at. Yeah. So let me use. So I'm expecting something like this to this level already. 29, 27, something like this. Then next target should be, yeah, so this is what I drew so far. So since we are currently at my, let me just explain. Since we are currently at my negative 27.20%, right, I'm expecting a short to reversal to, it might just be a reversal point to this level because there's an imbalance here. From here to here there is an imbalance. From here to there is also an imbalance. So we might come to either this level or this level, or we might just come here, have a first touch, second touch, and a probably third touch here before we now finally push up. So those are my scenarios. Right here. Is either we have a touch here, or we might start rejecting off of this level to push up to here, or this level right here to push up to here. Then here down to, and my reason is because why I think we might get to this level is because we can see right here is this is a downtrend, so this is an impulse, a continuation, right? Something like this, then down to my negative 27. Yeah, fib level. Yeah, so that's what I'm expecting. So right here I'm expecting more to push this level. If you've been watching my video, you know I like my entry around 88.6 majority of the time, like a deep retracement, and it also always matches with her price action. So there is an imbalance at that level as well. Closer to that level there is another block, so which is around this level right here. So it fits perfectly well to my 88.6% fib level for us to retrace on. So that's what I used to say my Fibonacci always align majority with the structure itself. So we can just push up a little bit more, maybe to the side to fulfill the other block, then push down, or probably this level right here, imbalance 88.6 to push down to my first target 1, and target 2 right here. And if you know, I've always liked to take my overall target at my negative 27% fib level, because majority of the time it gets there and it's my reverse back, and yeah, so I just target the majority of the time. But let's zoom in and see. You see, but my overall target is still around this area right here, right? Let me just put a price target to, let's just see, 1754. Let me just round it up, 54. So pause, boom. Okay, so this is still my overall target, right? I'm still expecting Bitcoin to get to 11,745, and my reason is because At that level, we have my negative 61.8%, and also there is also a monthly imbalance to be fulfilled at that moment, to mitigate at that moment. So I'm expecting it down, but overall it might still drop down to 10,565 Bitcoin. So those are just my overall picture on Bitcoin, but let's take it one step at a time. So maybe we might still be expecting a push up to the other side. As long as we are still above this trend line, we can still buy. But if we break from the trend line and probably we test the trend line, then we are just still going to take it to our targets, which are here as well. So yeah, so right now we can still be looking at buy on Bitcoin until this level. Then let's see what happens next. Hope this is insightful, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any question, please just leave it down in the comment section below, and I will do my possible best to answer to the best of my ability. Thank you guys for watching.